watching the second News Hour debate on Times Now Super Prime Time.
Let's get introductory comments first. Prakash Javadekar of the BJP, welcome. Abha Singh, advocate and social activist in the studio, welcome. Mohandas Pai, former director HR Infosys, well-known entrepreneur. Mohandas Pai, welcome. This is fairly serious, it looks like. Dr. Ajay Alok of the JDU. I'd like to say this, that there are several JDU MPs. How many featuring in this sting operation? Ajay, some 3, I think, right? Three JDU MPs also feature. So 3 JDU MPs feature and Prakash Javadekar of the BJP, 3 BJP MPs also feature. So Mr. Javadekar, to you first. You know, why are your MPs featuring in this kind of an infamous thing where letters are being written for a price?
First, let me tell you, we will definitely verify whether such letters have been written or not.
Yes.
Because that is the final thing which is important. If it has happened, then we'll definitely inquire with the MPs. But just because some Cobra post is showing edited, fabricated or whatever it is, I don't know, so we'll not immediately react, but we will definitely take cue from it and we'll definitely see whether the letters are given, A.
No. 1 sec, one minute.
We believe
Mr.
in
Javadekar,
fairness.
Mr. Javadekar, there are 2 questions here which come up. What you are saying is you'll take action if the letters are written. Now, what is being said here in this sting operation is that the 11 MPs agreed to write the letters for a fee. Of these, 6 promptly issued recommendation letters, and they were settled on some prices.
So that is
right, and you know. So
see,
this, even if the letter is not written, Abha.
Yes. Section 7 of the Prevention of Corruption Act very clearly says if he agrees or agrees or is enough for the action to be taken, and nowhere it is written that letter needs to be written. If he is agreeing to take gratification other than legal remuneration to influence a public servant, so there it is an offence, it's a criminal misconduct and it is 7 years of imprisonment. You cannot say that whether he has written or letter. The mere fact that he has agreed to take money, and even if he says coax, he cannot say that he was coaxed. If he has technically agreed, it is an offence under the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988.
The more basic question is this, that Ajay, that in our country, members of parliament should come together, you know, for human rights, for fighting poverty. They should come together on issues regarding the economy. There are so many issues for all party MPs to work together. I don't understand, Ajay. Why do MPs from AIADMK, BSP, JDU, Congress and BJP come together to write letters for a fictitious foreign company which wants to get oil exploration and rigging rights in the northeast? I mean, our MP is supposed to be there as spokesperson of so-called private companies. Why are they coming together? What is binding them together if not money?
See, Arnav, what has happened today, when we had taken a look at how it's coming on the television, it was rather a shocker for us. Because we never expected our MPs to come on the camera and even talk of the writing letters and accepting money. So it came as a shock to us. So I'm not going to say that this is a kind of a political conspiracy or some things like that.
So you admit.
What we are going to do.
No, so you admit.
We are going to stand by our morals.
No, 1 minute. This is very important. So you admit. You are making the admission that some of your members of parliament agreed to write letters for a fee.
No, what we are seeing on the TV, on that basis, I'm telling you, we were shocked. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to stand on our principles, on our ethos, on our morals. What we are going to do tomorrow, the first thing, right now, the national president and the state president has been informed about all the incident. Now, tomorrow, the first thing we are going to question them. We are going to give them a show cause notice and a proper inquiry has to be settled down. Now, if this has happened, there is going to be repercussion. It's not going to be taken lightly.
That's
There's going to be a
important
repercussion. If this thing has happened, we take it in. Yeah, we are very serious about it. If this thing has happened, this is a very serious cause of concern. Because in our party, we have a zero tolerance towards corruption, no matter who it may be. No matter who it may be, I repeat.
No, no,
because we
I
were the
think-
party first time in this country who has stopped this MLA fund, MP fund, you know. We cannot allow this corruption to prosper. This is a contagious disease.
And
we have
what
to
would you
curtail
say?
it.
What
and
would
if
you,
we do not do
what
it,
would
no
you,
one else
what
is
would
going to
you
do it.
then say to the response of the BJP, which I found far more defensive in its response? You heard?
Well,
yeah.
No. No,
there's
you are
nothing
not
called
allowed
defense
to
in
Arnab.
it. We are rather
Arnab.
acting offensively on it.
No, no. I found your response far more defensive, Mr.
Arnab.
Javadekar. Why? Why aren't you saying the same things that the JDU representative
You have
is?
not allowed me to complete. You have not allowed me to complete.
Okay, please complete.
My response is very simple. Whatever has appeared is definitely serious because umpteen times, on earlier occasions also, our top leaders have always briefed our MPs that don't sign any letter which is given by somebody. Write your own letters if you are convinced about the case, and if there is no issue of gratification, there is no question of gratification, because we are public representatives. We must fight for public cause.
No, but you know,
if somebody believes that this is public cause,
Mr. Javadekar,
let me complete.
No, Mr. Javadekar, can I ask you something?
No, you will. No, I will complete 30 seconds, then you ask me. And my 30 seconds starts now.
Go ahead.
So it is very clear that we will definitely inquire with the members what has happened. We will see what has actually, whether it is something as wrong happened, then definitely there is action.
No.
But without inquiry on TV channel, I don't become court.
No, you don't have to
After all,
become
there
a
are
court.
issues to
No,
be settled
one
by the
second.
court.
One second. This is, by the way,
Yeah.
this is only a discussion and a debate. Yes, I know there are millions of people watching tonight, so I
Yeah.
expect. No, I will only say this to you,
But that
Mr.
is what I am
Javadekar.
saying.
No, Mr. Javadekar, I'll only say this to you. That I remember the last cash for queries scandal. I'm sure Mohandas Pai remembers it. You know what happened then? That the BJP walked out while Parliament was voting to expel those MPs. Mr. Advani defended them, saying that acts
they
were
were
not
expelled.
No. Mr. Advani defended them, saying their acts are not one of corruption but only stupidity. That they fell for the sting operation. And later you reinducted these people into your party. Pradeep Gandhi, for example, who lost his Lok Sabha and party membership after the cash for queries scam, was brought back to the BJP in 2008. Right? He was caught in camera
Let me also
accepting
tell
cash
you
to
that
raise questions
1
in
minute.
Parliament. You have a
1
high
minute.
level of tolerance for this kind of corruption.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let us also put record straight.
Yes,
that
let's do
cash
that.
for vote scam. What happened after 1 minute? Or what happened after all these things? The Supreme Court has said categorically that these MPs who showed the cash in Lok Sabha were the whistleblowers, and instead of appreciating them, the system put them into behind the bars. This is injustice, and so they freed them. Not only freed them, but they said
Sir,
that injustice had been
the
meted out to them.
is the Cobra
Supreme
Post,
Court,
not
1
these
minute.
MPs. They are on record.
Anna,
They
there
are
is another
accepting
aspect to
illegal
it.
gratification.
Arey, I am on cash for vote. I am on.
But
No,
this-
I am on
we are
second matter
discussing this
issue.
issue.
I
He
am
knows it.
I am
You
talking
don't know.
about
But
cash.
No, that is not.
No, I am
You will
talking
not
about
say
cash
who
for
are the
queries.
news anchor.
No, sir, 1 minute.
Cash for queries, not vote.
But I am asking
the
for
questions
cash
which
for.
the MPs were asking earlier.
No,
and
but
taking
cash
money.
for what? I am giving the example. I am giving analogy of cash for vote scam, which was published so much. Our MPs were put behind bars,
Sir,
and now
sir,
Supreme Court has come
sir,
out
you know,
that the source of money must be
Sir,
investigated.
you know, I don't want to
And
say
they-
it.
the
I don't want to say it, but I think you're forcing me to say it, and I intend to say it now. By the way, Anirudh Bahal, welcome. That's another stunning expose by Cobra Post. I know it will be controversial, but
Thank you.
But it raises some very serious issues, and regardless of political motives ascribed to it, I think these issues will have to be addressed.
No, I'm not.
One, Mr. Javadekar, I'm only saying this, that I don't want to say it, but I'll say it, that, you know, this country has changed. In 2004, your parliamentary party spokesman was VK Malhotra, I think. And how blatant political parties can be was clear from his statement. He said in December 2004, he said Congress party spent 120 crores in the recent Lok Sabha election. What is wrong if anybody takes 1 lakh rupees? And I can see that Mr. Hari Manji is getting bored. He's yawning. I have a few questions for you, Mr. Manji. Don't worry. He said, what is wrong if anybody takes 1 lakh rupees? Mohandas Pai, what do you think of the BJP's response and the JDU response so far?